Hey, this is a very quick update on how to, or video on how to update your table of contents in your paper. But first of all, you need to know that you can't update any table of contents unless you use these headings or styles or headings or headers is what you referred to. So you have to use number one, the scholarly template, okay? Because by doing so, you already have, headings or styles applied there, and you can tell by this little mark right here, okay, that there is a heading applied. And then if you go up here, you can see, oh, that's a heading 1, and it in fact is correct. Then if you wanted to go down here to ensure that your heading 2s are applied, every heading, highlight it or whatever so you can tell, and there, oh, is a heading 2. And I don't know if this paper has any heading 3s, but it's the same kind of thing. All right, now if you're not using the scholarly template, you need to do that, download it and move all your data over, or else you can, number one, go onto Google and just read how do I create styles or headings. I would use the word styles, but how you can modify those things. So I know that a heading 1, according to APA, is going to be centered and non-bold. But if I wanted to modify that, I would right-click, I'd go to Modify. It's Times New Roman, it's 12 font, and it's in the middle. Right here in the middle, okay? Now if I needed to change the format, because it was single space, I would hit Paragraph, and I could go here. I want to make sure these are 0, I want to make sure this is 0, leave these alone, and I want to make sure it's double spaced, okay? And this is, so then I would hit OK, and then I would hit OK. So that's how you actually change your headings, your styles, or your headers. And that is done very well on Google. If you go Google that, and it comes up on Word, okay? So, again, now let's go to the table of contents. So there is no updating on table of contents whatsoever if you don't use the headings, okay? So here it'll come up, or else if it doesn't come up, just right-click it. But now you go to, let me see here. So if I wanted to, it's come up because I was in there. Oh, geez Louise. Okay, so here we go. So, well, my cursor's over there. So if it wasn't, you would just click in here somewhere, hit Update Table, right-click. Oh, yeah, now I don't know what's going on. Hang on, bear with me. Okay, right here. Right-click, and then just click. I actually had to left-click. And then click on this, Update Entire Table, and hit OK. And then, once you've applied your headings, styles, or headers, this should come up okay. If you have on your review, and your track changes and all those types of things, this may come up as red when you updated it. All you have to do is right-click and accept the changes. Okay? So that's it. If you have any questions,